So we're outside our latest luxury flip that is fully renovated turnkey, but we're gonna switch things up in this video. We're gonna walk through, tell you guys all about the house and what we did to it, but instead of telling you how much it's worth, we're gonna have you guys guess on what you think this property should sell for. We love to show you guys our entire business and all the homes that we renovate, but we love to engage with you and all of our platforms even more, so make sure you like and subscribe to the channel.
If you're new to the channel, we're the Boeckle Brothers. I'm Landon.
And I'm Jesse.
And today we are going to walk through one of our newest listings right here in Summerlin, Las Vegas. We're going to show you around, give you a couple snippets about the information on the property, and leave it up to you to guess how much we're going to sell it for.
So a little bit about this house. This is a 3,400 square foot single story property, 3 bedroom, 2 bath. Now I'm walking into the kitchen right now, which of course underwent a full renovation. We installed all new cabinetry, all new appliances, and all new quartz countertops. So if you remember from the old video, the existing island was super small and there was not a lot of room for a nook table. So what we've been doing in a lot of our luxury properties that call for it is installing a gigantic island and actually putting in some in-kitchen seating so you have a little breakfast bar where you can have an eat-in kitchen. And of course, we can't forget the signature waterfall edge.
So right off the kitchen, we have the main living area. Pretty large living area in this house, really bright, high ceilings, which we loved. Of course, we put in our signature floor to ceiling feature fireplace wall. Does need a TV on it, but we have the LED fireplace. Never miss this, beautiful ambiance. Every luxury listing needs a special feature in the house. Ours has a bar built in right into the main living area, heading towards outside as well. Super convenient space. We upgraded it, put some pre-hanging shelves in, and shiplap floor to ceiling. Love how this turned out.
We had some hard decisions to make when it came to the renovation of this property to create an open floor plan. This dining room is very central to the home, but is surrounded by a bunch of different columns and pony walls. We decided to just open up these windows and kind of leave all the walls in place to define the dining room space and separate it from your secondary living room, which you have over here. It's furnished really nice, and we kept the existing fireplace but upgraded it with a really nice tile floor to ceiling.
We love the primary bedroom in this house, and as you know, every luxury home has to have an amazing, elegant primary bedroom. So what did we do? We put our signature mantle style fireplace from wall to wall. You're able to actually put pottery, vases, candles, pictures on top of the mantle to add decor to the home. Hang a big TV right above it. And of course, we have the 65-inch LED fireplace to create that nice ambiance in the room. But we didn't stop there. On the bedroom wall, we also created another feature by adding this awesome trim with a nice 2-box display. Painted it an offset color to the house, similar to the wall color, just a little bit darker. We wanted it to be in the same shade as the walls. Really feels elegant and upgraded in this room. So come on into the primary bathroom. Now this turned out beautiful. We're super happy with the way it turned out. If you remember, we actually did this like for like. This was a deck style tub here in the corner of the room. We took the deck style out, super old, and put in the freestanding tub with the filler off the wall. If you notice, we did this nice wainscot tiling all around as well to add some more design, and hung a beautiful gold chandelier right above it. Now we have the his and hers vanity as well. Offset color, you notice the cabinet colors in this room are a nice light gray, super elegant. Calcutta countertops, big mirrors, but let's go to the shower. So if you remember, Jesse and I had a big debate about this shower in terms of putting a door on it or not. I think that you need a door in a shower so you don't get those chili buns. Looks like I won that debate because I put a door in the shower. But come on in. Shower is really nice and big. Has the waterfall head, also has the wall mounted head, and even a hand sprayer so the lady could sit on the bench and utilize that. I love the hexagon Calcutta tile that we put in here. Also, it's in the niche for design as well. Surrounded by glass, this shower feels really, really nice. So we got really lucky on this house and we're able to save a budget item and putting a new closet in. This closet was existing with the nice light wood floors and the white closet paneling. It actually matches pretty well. It's in good shape. So it comes with a built-out closet. Easy.
So the backyard of this property wasn't super big. We didn't have a lot of space to work with, but I think we maximized it really, really well. We resurfaced all this deck area to make it look like large paver bricks, which I love that look. We do have an existing above ground spa, which is awesome. It's been refurbished, it's ready to go. There was a lot of mismatched landscaping and different type of turf back here, so we were able to level all that out, clean it up, install some new turf and plants. I think it looks really clean. And let me spin you around to my favorite corner here. There was a giant lemon tree, which unfortunately we felt like we had the need to take out. We surrounded this little lounge area with this outdoor wood as a really nice accent. I think we gave you a really nice place to enjoy the backyard and sit here on any given day.
So we hope you enjoyed the tour. We're pleasantly surprised with how this one turned out. Turned out really, really nice. So just to recap some stats on the house. It's a 3,400 square foot, single story, 2-bedroom, 3-bath home right here in the Aventura guard gated community of Summerlin, Las Vegas.
Now let's give you a few more details to help you estimate that final list price. We ended up purchasing this property again off the MLS, because you know us, for $840,000. It cost us about $140,000 to complete this entire renovation. So now knowing those numbers, I pose the question to you. What do you guys think we're gonna list this for? And at the end of the day, what do you think we're gonna take home as profit?
We hope over the last 150 episodes and over all of our social media accounts that we've given you enough information to feel confident about looking at a property like this, comping it out, and giving us an estimated list price to determine how much we'll make on this property. So drop it in the comments below. We're really excited to see how you guys do.
If you have any questions about the property, of course, you can always drop those in the comments below, and we would love a subscribe to the channel.
And until then,
We'll see you on the flip side.